Chat, I got a stock. I got stocks. I got my first stocks. You guys want to hear about my stocks? You have one. Oh, it's not even. I don't even own stocks actually. Never mind. I have one buy order. Okay, chat. Who can guess what stock I bought? Well, it's actually it's a ETF. I got the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. The VOO. Low risk. Well, I'm gonna go high risk. Oh, you know I'm gonna buy some Tesla stocks, chat. I can't buy it yet. Oh wait, can I? Should I buy some Tesla stocks right now, chat? Should I buy some Tesla right now?
Quin 69 needs you. What does that mean? Am I about to get trolled again?
All right, let's do what? We'll do a flat. We'll go $20,000 in Tesla. Okay. Okay. I'm doing it.
Don't take financial advice from your spurt chat. Holy shit. Buying individual stocks isn't the way to invest. Especially when you have assets like you do.
Ah, shit. Currency. So it's 28,500 New Zealand dollars. 1 New Zealand dollar is 0.7 US dollar. Dude! It's $113 exchange fee with a $31 transaction fee. So I'm instantly losing just doing this. I instantly lose like $150 just by doing this. Alright, fuck it, YOLO, dude, YOLO.
Quin, please. This isn't another highest difficulty blind solo self-found speedrun. The only thing you will speedrun into is bankruptcy if you keep taking chat's advice and quote go big dick unquote.
I'm going big dick on stocks, chat. I'm going big dick on stocks right now.
18x11.
Wait, how long?
Great 11 months watching you fail.
What the hell? My order just got my Tesla stock just disappeared. Oh, I've got it.
67111 by 3 reset. Good luck with Telsa.
I'm already minus 0.38%.
Shortage smile.
Wait, what the fuck does that mean? I've already lost money. I'm now down to 19. Wait, what the fuck? I just bought $20,000 worth of Tesla and it's worth $19,923 now. How the fuck does that work, bro? What the fuck? I just instantly lost money the second I did that.
From infinite money glitches to million-dollar option plays with mere days until expiration, I'll be the first to say that it's going to be difficult to place any of these legendary trades below S tier. Let's start this off right. Control the narrative. How did Control the Narrative become a Wall Street Bets legend? Simple.
What is this? Wait, am I going down some rabbit hole of Wall Street Bet, Andy? I don't know if I like these guys. These guys who just talk about stocks all the time and they're like doing some weird stock shit and there's like all this stuff. But chat, I mean, how else do you learn about stocks though, bro? How else do you learn about stocks? I need to learn about stocks because I'm investing money into stocks.
He's learning about stocks from a Wall Street Bets video? Oh god, no. Well, like I said, some people have to hit rock bottom before they can move up.
Control the Narrative went on to engage in the most famous Wall Street Bets YOLO in history. He bought $50,000 in Apple puts just before they reported quarterly earnings. Unfortunately for Control the Narrative, Apple crushed their earnings and the stock rocketed up in after-hours trading. For our sake, at market open, this legend decided...
So wait, if you YOLO into a stock right before they do their, like, investor call thing, then there's a chance it's either going to go up a ton or down a ton. So, like, it's just like, and you're banking on it going up. Wait, what if you know, bro? So what you do is you find out, you call up someone who works at the company and be like, dog, are you guys earning a ton right now? Like, you fucking popping off? They're like, oh, bro, we're up heaps, dude. We're up heaps. All in. And then you just go all in. Then they do the call and it goes up. Go to jail? Wait, what do you mean? I'm just developing a strat. Chat, do not say my strats are illegal. Do not say my strats are illegal. What do you mean? You're just talking to a dude. And then just finding out some shit and you're just doing like you're just playing the game, dude. What do you mean? You're telling me you don't think people are doing that? Wait, is Google fucking wait, Alphabet Class A. Google NASDAQ. Is that Google? What even is that, dude? What even is that? Like, I don't even know what that is.
You should call the stock guy. By your powers combined, you can create the maximum stall content.
The stock guy. He's not live or anything, right? He is. Okay. Does he normally talk to people? Yo.
I'm here.
What's that, man?
I said hello.
Oh, yeah. Hey, man. So, I hear you're the stock guy.
I mean, I chose the name because it was available. It was a genius marketing move.
I mean, yeah. I mean, clearly it works because basically, I just got my first stock app, and I'm trying to get into stocks, and I've just been getting advice from Twitch chat as to what stocks to buy. So I've already purchased Tesla stocks. Is that good?
I mean, we'll find out. I mean, I personally think Tesla has more downside than upside right now with Rivian coming out and some other things. But I mean, hey, Tesla's not just a car company. Okay, what else you got?
Okay. So we got Tesla, and then I got the This is cringe virgin pussy. I got the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF.
That's it. Just do that. Just please, for the love of fucking God, go to a casino if you need to gamble.
No. But I like the idea of investing in particular companies that are poggers, right? And then I was wondering okay, so I got like 30% of my total net worth ready to gamble. What not net worth? What do you call it? The positive amount that you can lose and still be fine. I don't know what number. I don't know what language you use to describe that.
I mean, so you've got money to burn.
Yeah, to just delete, right? So what do you reckon?
All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Okay, real quick. All right, let's just back it up real quick. The money that we're gonna talk about right now is money that you don't care about.
Well, I mean, do I care? I mean, I'm not mass. I do care about it, but if it was to get deleted, then it's gonna be fine.
Okay, then let's just go with that. We're not even gonna talk about options right now because that is literal casino stuff. So, what is your goal? What is your realistic goal right now?
To invest and to pop off. I'm watching a thing about the Wall Street bets right now, and people are getting 40K, and then they're getting 1.5 million, dude.
Yes, also, have you ever been to a casino?
Yeah, I have been to a casino.
Okay, when you walk to the casino, there's a big billboard on the front of an old lady sitting in front of a machine where she won a jackpot, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what they want you to see. They don't put a big panoramic view of the guys sitting there in their disheveled suits, sweating through it with cigarette burns and tears in their eyes as they're, crying into the last sip of their watered down Jack and Coke, putting their last dollar into a slot machine.
Are you describing? Is he describing Trainwrecks TV right now, or what's going on?
No. That's okay. But there's a reason why you only see those things. It's confirmation bias, right? Now, with that being understand, I'm not here to be your therapist. You didn't call me for therapy. You called me because you want a YOLO. Am I right?
Okay, yeah. You know what? Wait, okay, I want a YOLO. Yeah, fuck it, dude. Yeah, I do. I want to know. I want the hot takes.
This is not financial advice. This is not anything. I can tell you the YOLO that I'm currently in.
Okay, wait, so I don't know if I can YOLO, though. I don't know, because in these, they were describing puts and other things. I don't think my app can do that.
We're not there yet. If you want to lose money that quick, just donate to a hot tub streamer and be done with it.
Okay. Wait, isn't it 50-50? Either it goes up or down?
I mean, it either goes up or down, but the thing with options is you can lose money even if it goes up and you're betting for it to go up, you can still lose money because you can lose money on theta and time decay and a whole bunch of other shit and a whole bunch of Greek stuff. Forget all that. You just want to throw your money into something and pray it goes up 1,000,000%, right?
Yeah, fuck it, dude. Why not? So it's not financial advice, but I'm going to do exactly what you tell me.
I'm going to give you 3 tickers that are complete degenerate thing that you are either going to make a lot of money or you're going to lose everything. I'm not going to tell you what to do. I'm going to tell you what the ticker is, why it could go up, and full disclosure, I'm in all 3 because I'm also a degenerate with part of my portfolio.
Fuck yeah.
Okay, number 1, I'm in this thing called IGC. It's called India Globalization Capital or IG or IC. But let me just pull it up for you here.
I
Can you
see
my
it.
screen? Or
Oh, wait, I've looked it up on Google. Wait, let me go. I can look it up on your thing as well.
Okay, India Globalization Capital. This is what I like to call a not a pump and dump per se, but a very shady stock. I'll tell you why. It's pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, and health technology, but nobody knows what they actually do. But every 3 months, once every 3 months, this thing runs like 300% for no reason. Let me pull up a 1-year chart on you. Look at this.
Why does it do that?
Nobody knows, but it does. And the idea is I'm going to be in for the next one, okay? We saw it go 1,000% one day. We saw it go 80% one day, 150%, 300%. I'm waiting for the next one. I don't know if it's going to take a month or a year, but I'm waiting for the next one.
Wait, what if it happens and I don't know, bro? What if it happens and I don't know, and then because you have to sell when it's high, right?
Of course, yeah, unless you're on Wall Street Bets.
Okay. Well, I'm not. I'm on a thing called Sharesies. It's in New Zealand. It says whenever I buy
That sounds
stocks.
like some weeb shit. Do you have like a weeb brokerage?
It says chur, bro, every time I buy a share.
Churro, bro?
Chur, like it's like Cheers, but New Zealand.
Oh.
Yeah. Will I be able to sell it? Because it's
You
like
own
delay.
sheep?
Do I own sheep? Well, technically we own 2 alpacas,
Okay.
but no sheep.
Okay. All right, so this is one, okay? It could go all the way down to $1 and you could lose 50% of your money, or it could go up to $5, you can make 400%. I don't know. I don't know anything about this company. I'm not advocating it. As a matter of fact, it's probably the dumbest thing you can do. But hey, right, you're gambling. Number 2 is something that this entire community got into yesterday. Don't ask me why. It's called ZEV. Now, it's called Lightning E-Motors. I'm up about 100% in a day and a half on options. These guys are up about 40% on shares. And the reason is because, have you heard of this thing called a short squeeze?
The short squeeze. Wait, is that the one where everyone buys and holds? And then they do the
That too. Yeah. I was referring to what happens like once every 6 months when my wife feels freaky. But in this case, it's called a short squeeze, where it's a bullshit thing that everybody uses. It's basically called copium. It's just another name for copium. Like, this stock has a bunch of people betting against it, so it's going to short squeeze, and they believe that. So we saw that happen with support.com. It's run about 500% in the last week and a half, 2,000% over the last couple months. BBIG is another one. This one is on the new little list that the mainstream media, the normies, are trying to get involved with us and are calling the next short squeeze potential, right? So I got into this yesterday. It was about $7 a share when these guys got in the morning. I got in later. I took options. It's done about 40%. It's got about a 37% or 27% short float, meaning about 27% of the.
You're getting away. I'm so confused by all these terms and terminology she's using.
Okay, here you go. I'm gonna go
break it down like retail style.
I'm gonna dumb it down so much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go Brisbane dumb. Okay.
Fuck yeah. Just pretend
you know
I'm
how
stupid.
what I'm talking about, right? No, I'm talking Brisbane. I'm talking like a child. Okay.
It's because Australians are dumb, right? That's what you're saying.
No, not all of them. But Brisbane is. Okay,
True.
So lots of people bet against this stock, and other people find out about it and want to fuck over those people, so they buy the shares to make the price higher, meaning that those other people lose money, and it makes the stock go up.
Yeah. So it's like they bet against it going down, and then you buy it and hold it so that way it doesn't go down, and then they have to buy your shit or something because they borrowed money or something.
They have to cover their shares. Now, short squeezing is total bullshit. It's something that nobody ever heard of before until the GameStop thing, and now everybody is convinced that short squeezes are going to happen. But regardless of if it's real or not, it tends to be cause meme stocks to go up, right? And so I got into this yesterday. I told these guys about it being on the list, and it also has what's called a 87% interest rate to borrow shares. In other words, if you want to borrow these shares to bet against it, it's going to cost you a lot of money. So now that's more incentive for people to fuck over others. So because of that, I bought yesterday, and it's run a bunch, and I don't know, maybe this is the top. Maybe it goes to $30 tomorrow. I don't know, but hey, you're degenning, right? It moved up.
Shit. But these things really advanced, though. Yesterday. Because you have to know, you get all the graphs.
You just type in the ticker. You just hit buy and you wait, and then you hit sell when you're ready. I mean,
But
you're
wait, does it?
ready.
I don't know. Does my app sell instantly? It said there's delays and shit, and there's like a line
You
or
just set a stop loss. I'm sure some idiot, I mean, not idiot, sorry, I'm sorry. Some wonderful member of either your community or my community will tell you how to set a stop loss.
stop loss. Okay, so what, you're telling me there's a
Yeah,
thing
you let
where
the
it
computer
once...
do it for you.
Oh, wow. What the fuck? You can do that?
So how long are you looking to hold this crazy play?
Well, I mean, I don't know, dude. I was thinking more like buy something and then I just don't need to worry about it. But
Okay,
then
do you want something that is meme but is actually legit?
that sounds that sounds probably better.
All right, take a look at Zella. This is one that we've played a lot recently. This is a company that is a tech company that has had some massive moves recently. Lots of volume picking in, and they're a tech company that's been getting a lot of volume here, so it's not like a total meme stock. And we've played it a lot when it was under $2. They just gave it a couple of large firms gave it a $5 price target, so that's about 100% upside over the next year. And when this thing moves, it moves big. So that's and technology companies tend to move the most. I like Zella a lot. I've played it a couple times.
Zell. Okay, what the fuck do they actually do though? Wait, it's a business about automation. Automation.
Oh, you told me you just want a YOLO.
Well, I want a YOLO, but I mean, if it's like, how do you YOLO on something that doesn't make you don't know anything about?
Well, that's why that's why it's a YOLO. You didn't say you want an investment. Investment is something that you take time, you put money into. For example,
That's
right?
cringe, bro.
PayPal, right? PayPal is something that I did a whole video on last year. They're global. They've got Venmo. Unlike Square, they've got they own almost the entire GoPay in China. So now they've got their tentacles in the Chinese economy. They've got a $200 million investment in Africa. They've got Venmo. They've got regular PayPal. Now they're moving into a trading platform. I mean, you do your research for something you want to invest in versus you said you're just looking for a casino here. Matter of fact, I just made. Hold on. I have a position open that I'm gambling on right now. All right, sorry about that. Keep going.
Is that Windows XP paint? What the hell kind of paint are you using there, bro? This shit is...
Do you usually go into someone's house and fucking judge what's in their house?
I mean, what computer are you on right now, dude? I don't know if I can trust you, dude.
Did you buy that couch from, mate? Did you get that from the Goody Will?
Like, I don't know if I can trust him when you're
are you on Wednesday? You're my guest and you're gonna shit on my fucking
okay.
my interior decorating, or you want to come wait till he sees my desk, guys?
All right, no, I should go. Okay, what's the least active? Because the IGC seems like I have to do something. And what if I'm asleep, bro? And how do I know if how do I even set that automatic sell shit up? You just don't sleep. Oh,
what time does the market open, our U.S. market open in New Zealand?
I don't even know how markets open, bro. Like, because that's the thing. Like, I don't, like, are the markets actually only open, are they actually only open for 3 days a week? Because you
have access to all kinds of markets. I mean, you have the Hong Kong exchange, you have India, you have Europe, you have the whatever, the fucking sheep market down the road. You have access to other markets, so you don't have to just trade the U.S. market. It's just the U.S. market is traded the most heavily in the world.
Well, I have access to the New Zealand Stock Exchange, so I can unironically buy. There's like a farmer's thing.
Yeah, but that's like 3 guys that are down at the fucking fish market.
New Zealand has got a pretty. Okay, we're pretty good. Pretty good economy. Okay.
How it's not today. You footy ball. I mean, I get it. So like it depends on like what kind of actual trading you want to do.
Investing in like rugby balls, perhaps. Maybe like sports teams.
Your what bulls?
Rugby balls, like rugby. You know
rugby
about
balls?
You know about rugby?
Yeah. It's
you heard of the All Blacks?
Excuse me?
You heard of the All Blacks? The top rugby team in the world, mate.
2021, sir. You need to be a little bit more careful.
Google All Blacks, dog. Okay.
I'm not Googling All Blacks on my channel right now.
Oh my god!
I did that. I saw 7 guys standing behind a girl on a couch, and I almost got banned. I'm not doing that again.
Wait, what are you on about? Oh, Jesus. Yeah, there's like 7 guys there, but they're jacked, and they're wearing like short shorts and everything, and they're doing a haka, bro, which is a war dance.
You and I saw a different picture.
Oh my god. Okay, all right. So wait. Okay, so what do you reckon then in terms of what's the most brain dead between IDGC, Zev, and Zella? If I was gonna
I think the
YOLO.
most brain dead would be Zev, because you're literally just hoping that it becomes like the next meme stock.
Oh, but then I have to figure out when to sell though, right? That's it. That's scary.
I mean, everything is scary. I mean, the biggest risk, the greatest risk in life is never taking any risks.
That's fucking true. That's actually true. Holy shit. Okay.
I mean, I would say that if I wanted to be a little 50-50 with degenning, YOLOing, and something that might actually have some legitimacy, I'd say Zella, which is, wait a second. How the... Since we started talking, this thing just moved 10%.
Which one? The Zella?
Zella.
Stop buying Zella, chat. Okay, stop taking advice from
It's
someone
not
who's a
them.
degenerate gambler.
There's 18 million shares traded. Our chats combined don't have enough money.
Oh fuck. That's what I was trying to tell them.
I guess you should have bought that though.
Okay. Wait. So I'm buying. Wait. So Zella. But wait. So
I'm
Zella
kidding.
is.
It actually started running like 15 minutes before we started talking.
Okay. So wait. Zella Technologies is a global business. So wait.
But
This
Zella
one here.
was one of the ones from this morning that we talked about. So some of the guys in here were probably already in before that run, so they're making money right now.
And what's your take? Do you think the top stocks? I've seen some shit on YouTube where it's like they're talking about the top. Right now, the stocks are all the top 500 stocks. They're all inflated massively because of stimulus checks and people not being able to go out and spend money. Everyone's just buying stocks, and they're not selling, and so it's just going up and up and up. Do you think that there's going to be some mega fucking giga crash of like all the stocks just go down?
I mean, here's my thing. I've been telling these guys for a year, buy the dips. It's literally my top pinned tweet because that's all that's happening. There's just free money and cheap money going everywhere, and people are just buying up equities. I think it's going to be interesting to watch. I don't know if we're going to see it because the one thing you have to understand is the stock market and the economy are not the same thing.
The stock market and the economy are not the same. I agree.
A lot of people think that the economy and the stock market are one and the same. It's not. As long as there's free, cheap money, and as long as the rich are getting richer, the market will keep going up. It's like the housing market. It's not, nobody cares about people that are poor. It's just how it is. And I'm not being a dick. I'm just telling you how the world works. It doesn't matter if you're in a socialist economy or a communist or a capitalist economy. It doesn't matter. Nobody cares about poor people. There's a reason why homeless people don't get taken care of, because they don't vote and they don't pay taxes. So nobody cares about them. And it's unfortunate, and I fucking hate it. But that's not what we're here to talk about. We're here to talk about the economy and the market. And the market is not run by people that like you and I and the people in our chats and all that. It's run by multi-billionaires and millionaires and hedge funds and insider trading and Federal Reserve interest rates and stuff like that. So I would say that, could we have a correction at any point? Sure, absolutely. But you know what? It'll get bought right the fuck up.
But what if it tanks to like? So you think in the long run it doesn't even matter? It'll tank down. It'll fucking.
Let me show you something real quick. I'm going to pull up the stock market for the last, I don't know. Let's do it up for the last 25 years. Okay. Do you remember the 2008 crisis?
That's like the one where everyone was freaking out, right? Loads of people like lost jobs.
Yeah, that's here. That was the global economic crisis.
Well, that's fucking pathetic. But wait, look how high it's gone though, bro. Look, it's ramping, bro.
Exactly.
It's ramping. But wait,
every single dip has lasted less and less. So, for example, the 2001 .com bubble, which this reminds me of, because look at that. Oh my God, look at that run. Now look at it, right? So, it took 2,556 days for it to break even. And then when it broke even, it dropped 40%. And it took less time, about 5 years, for it to break even again. Well, then everybody was waiting on the sidelines, and they said, holy shit, it's going to drop again. I'm not going to invest now. I'm going to wait. And they're still waiting, and they've missed out on 500% return on their money. All the while, their money loses 3% inflation every year, and they're now broke. But here's the thing. Every single dip of 10 to 20% has taken less and less time to recover. I mean, look at the COVID dip. Look at that. That was a 25 to 30% drop, and within 200 days, it was back to even, and now we're twice as high as we were.
Yeah, but do you think that could just be because people had lots of excess money because of the stimulus checks, and people are fucking can't go out?
People had excess money, but we also had personal income was at an all-time high. Personal savings was at an all-time high. Down payments on mortgages, refinancing were at an all-time high. This is all fake. This is a facade. This is the fucking Matrix.
Okay. So you just just keep buying shit constantly, and then.
Well, no, because 90% of retail traders are invested on borrowed money right now. So when the market does shake out, it's going to destroy a lot of people, and then they're going to lose everything, and then the big boys are going to come in and buy up from them at a discount, and it's going to run right back up again.
So wait, does that mean we wait until the market crashes then? And then buy?
There have been people that have been waiting since 2012 for the market to crash.
So wait, so you're saying don't wait, but don't buy constantly. So you're saying
Zella's running. Oh my god.
What? Oh shit. What? Oh, there's a red bar appearing on your screen.
No, it's one of the ones that we talked about on my stream this morning early about the upgrade that Zella got. They got a $5 price target, which represented about 100% upside. So some of these guys jumped in this morning, and it ran 13% already. So they're making big money. So now we're getting into the dark side of the conspiracy here. All I'm going to say is the market's always going to keep going up. It's not going to stop. As long as the United States is still the leader economically, and the U.S. dollar is still the most backed and traded in the world, it's going to continue up. The housing market with the moratorium ending is probably going to pull back a little bit, but then you've got large corporations that are going to come in and overpay for them, and then buy them up in blocks, and then rent them out to people at a ridiculously high price, forcing people to double up and squeezing out the regular landlords and turn it to a corporatocracy. So probably the best thing you can do right now is actually real estate, even though it's super high.
Wait, so you're saying buy houses? Are you saying buy companies that buy houses?
I mean, I'm not saying buy companies that buy houses. I'm saying that I personally am looking at real estate even more, because here's the thing.
Be the stock guy.
You might be overpaying for property right now, but you're also overpaying with basically a 0% interest borrowed money. So for you, depending on where you live in your credit score, you could probably get 2.75, 3%. So for every 1% lower on your 30-year fixed mortgage, you're saving about 10% to 20% on the value of your home over 30 years. So you're actually saving more money even if you overpay. And on top of that, you're locking yourself in with a guaranteed asset that you can live in case we do move into a situation where corporations own a lot of the real estate and you can't buy later on.
Are you saying to go into debt to buy another house?
Another? Oh, I'm sorry, big money over here.
Wait, what do you mean? No,
whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, we got us a badass over here. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to, mods, please change the title of the stream to Interview with the One Percenter. Please, I'd like to.
Okay, I live in a place called Wanganui, mate.
Update this title.
There's like literally sheep. I could throw a rocket sheep from where I live, mate. Okay, it's like I don't live.
I relate to my my audience by pretending that I live on some fucking poor farm.
Okay, dude, I could prove. I could go out.
Wow,
our neighbors literally have a lamb in their garden.
You're all the same, man. You're all the same. Every time I think you guys are different, you're all the same. But listen, this has been really fun. You should come on sometime, and we should do a interview, or not an interview. Fuck that. You know what I mean, like a talk and hang out.
Little podcast meme. Yeah, I'm down, dude. I'm down.
Not a podcast. I'm not 5.
Okay, dude. All right. Well, I'm gonna go delete my money.
Since we've been talking, you could have made 10% of your income since we've been talking on Zella.
So I'm buying. I'm going all in Zella. Okay, is that what I'm doing? I'm going all in Zella right now.
You missed out already. Listen to this. I mean, since we've been talking, this thing's just been mooning. I mean, you could have literally took your $20,000 and turned it into $22,000, but instead you bought
Jesus Christ! I'm doing it right now. Okay, invest.
No, it's too late now. I mean, unless my chat will sell it to you. They'll let you buy the top.
Okay, dude. I'm not. Okay, well, I'm not buying it. Oh, dude. Stock guy, you told me.
It's gonna go to $3, and then you're gonna miss out another $5,000. Welcome to the stock market. Listen. You know what it is? When you get into the ring, there's Mike Tyson had a very famous saying, and it says, everyone has a plan until they get punched in the face. Okay? So, It's the same thing in the stock market. Everyone's got a plan until they get punched in the face. You get in the ring, you expect it to go well, you get hit in the face, and then you don't know what you're doing. Welcome to it. You're either going to buy at the top, or you're going to sell at the bottom. Welcome to it. The best thing you can do in the stock market is to put your money in some good quality companies, some dividends or total market funds, and fucking forget about it. 95 to 99% of active traders do not outpace the market. And the ones who do hit it big, give it all back, because it's a rigged game. It's run by a big club, and you ain't in it.
Okay. So, all right. Well, then, okay, based on your advice, then, I should just not do anything we've been talking about then, right? I should not buy IGC, ZEV,
I told you
or
in
Zeller.
the beginning. Put your money in a total market fund and forget about it. Let the market take you for a ride. Let you get that compounding money, 10% over year, 20% right now in a bull market. And guess what? Every time it dips, buy the dip. Or set up a DCA. Every month, throw money at it. And if it dips, buy a little bit more. And just forget about it, because the more you try, the more you're going to lose. But if you want to take a part of your income and put it aside to gamble, just like you would at a casino, go for it. But I'll put it to you this way. Do not put more money on active trading than you would going into a casino and putting it all on red or black. Because you're gambling. The more active and the more risky you are, the more you're gambling, and the more you gamble, the more you're going to lose. So have fun with it, but understand it's gambling, okay? I'm not going to sell you a pipe dream and a lie and tell you that I'm going to put you on a yacht because you're going to be the greatest trader in the world. I'm going to be real with you.
All right. Thank you, Stock Guy. I look forward to...
I still don't know who you are. What was your name again?
My name is Quentin Crawford, okay, Quin69.
No, on Twitch so I can follow you, so I know who you are.
Quin69. It's the section number. Yeah.
Oh, you have a terrible hairline too. What are you?
Oh, what the fuck? I am not balding, bro.
Wow, look, dude, you and I have the same fucking.
My hairline. Okay, it is.
The difference is that I actually have enough hair to hide it.
Nah, bro. What do you, dude? It's just blonde, mate. Okay, this hairline is fucking chilling.
No. The part that's still left is blonde.
You are toxic. Okay, go back 2 years. Find a picture.
I'm toxic.
Go back.
Toxic.
Mate, I'm not trying to hide it with like gel and like trying to cover the fact
are you
that.
Sponsored by that balloon game?
No, I'm not. But balloons is fucking tight. You don't talk. I was trying to buy balloon stocks, but they don't have any. They don't have. I looked into Ninja Kiwi. It's a Kiwi company.
You should have got into Zynga with us last week on the dip. It made us a shitload of money.
Zynga. Okay, well, this is all too advanced for me. All right, Stock Guy, it's all too advanced.
Zynga's too advanced for you?
I'm gonna have to.
My 8-month-old plays a game that's Zynga.
Bro, what I need to do is I need to figure out how to do the automatic selling thing and the thing where you buy the thing, and then once that happens, then I can do some of the gambling ones, right? I can do some of the gambling stuff.
Well, Quinn, it was a pleasure. Getting to meet you, and I was very afraid that if I turned over to your stream that you would be significantly better looking than me, but now I feel much better.
Oh,
so
shut the fuck up!
No, I'm not saying you're ugly. I'm just saying that you're not like what I thought. I was like, I don't want to bring this guy on because if he's better looking than me or has a better hairline, my chat will never live it down. But as soon as I brought you up, they all go, okay. So that's cool. I like the fact that we're very equal on hairline there. How old are you, by the way?
I'm 30.
So you're a young guy.
You're like 40?
Wow,
you're like 40?
Wait,
How old are you? Like 42 or something, bro?
Wait, you're 30 and have that hairline?
Oh my! I'm closing this.
I'm just now hitting this. Bro, you are.
I'll talk to you later.
Years.
I'm done. All right, I'm talking to you later. This guy is toxic. This guy is fucking toxic. Holy shit! Otherwise, I was talking about stocks. He's just criticizing my hairline. Jesus Christ. Okay, so what the stock guy told me to don't buy. He said don't just buy, and then he said, but then don't not buy, because if you don't not buy, then you get nothing, right? But then he said don't buy, and then he said don't give the gambling stocks. So I don't even know what to do now. But no, what was the advice? The advice was don't sit on it, because if you sit on it, right? If you sit on it, then it goes up and then you lose money. And then if you buy constantly, it's going to crash and then you're going to lose money. So what is the deal here? The advice was just to go all VOO. We've been listening. Jesus Christ. Is Tesla going down, chat? Let me open up my little stock app, chat. Let me look at my stock app. So far, what are my profits, chat? I'm sorry. Yo, I'm less minus now. I'm only minus $164 now. I'm only minus $164. So I'm less minus than I was before. So that's pretty poggies, dude. That's pretty poggies.
Because he is.
God game.